Ferraris sit covered in dust in airport parking lots across Dubai today. Lamborghinis are left on roadsides with keys still inside the cars. Luxury showrooms that sold millions now stand empty and completely silent. Around 25,000 luxury cars have been abandoned across the city. Assets worth billions are left behind with no owners coming back. New supercar sales dropped sharply in a very short time period. This is not just about cars, but a deeper financial problem. To understand this, we need to see how this system was built. In Dubai, status and image have always been very important socially. By 2024, streets looked like moving luxury car shows. People shared photos of expensive cars across social media platforms daily. Owning a supercar became more about showing off than driving. Car meets and events became a way to prove success and status. Dubai saw huge growth in new car registrations during recent years. Luxury brands like Ferrari and Lamborghini had long waiting lists for buyers. The market value of luxury cars reached very high levels quickly. Dubai became one of the top cities for supercar ownership worldwide. Social media helped increase demand and made luxury cars more popular. Financing made it easier for people to buy expensive cars easily. Many buyers took full loans without paying anything up front initially. Even middle-income professionals could afford luxury cars through easy credit. Dealers sold cars fast as demand stayed very strong. Inside showrooms, everything showed wealth and high demand clearly. Cars worth as much as houses were sold very quickly. Buyers often booked cars before they even arrived in Dubai. The market looked strong and almost impossible to fail. But things changed suddenly and very sharply in 2026. Luxury car sales dropped by more than 90% in months. Showrooms became empty and staff had little to do daily. Thousands of cars were found abandoned in parking lots and yards. Many cars lost more than half their value in the used market. Service centers also saw huge losses in their business and income. What once showed wealth now showed signs of a serious crisis. Large parking areas are now filled with abandoned luxury vehicles. Some cars still have keys inside, showing owners left quickly. Dust covers dashboards and tires are damaged from long standing. Security guards walk past cars worth millions like they mean nothing. These cars are now becoming environmental risks for the city. Leaking oil and fluids are damaging the ground and surroundings. Officials are thinking about recycling these cars for raw materials. Behind every abandoned car is a personal financial crisis. Many people bought cars using loans over several years. When jobs were lost, paying back loans became impossible quickly. Selling the car was not allowed without clearing the loan first. Some people chose to leave the country instead of facing legal trouble. Banks are now dealing with rising loan defaults across the sector. Losses from unpaid loans are increasing very fast for lenders. Auction sales bring less money due to falling car values. A major turning point came in early 2026. Regional conflict caused insurance costs to rise very sharply overnight. Many car owners could no longer afford insurance or loan payments. Thousands decided to abandon their cars and leave the country. Dealerships started closing, and many workers lost their jobs quickly. The used car market became flooded with too many vehicles. Prices dropped heavily, and cars stayed unsold for long periods. Environmental problems also started growing due to abandoned vehicles everywhere. Oil leaks and damaged batteries created serious safety risks. Plans are being discussed to recycle cars and reduce damage. The crisis also affected parts suppliers and repair workshops badly. Many companies closed and parts became difficult to find. Some car owners are stuck due to legal travel restrictions. Other cities in the region are now gaining luxury car buyers. Dubai is slowly losing its position as a supercar hub. Experts suggest different possible futures for the market ahead. One option is a slow recovery over the next few years. Another is a permanent decline in luxury car demand in Dubai. The worst case is billions in cars becoming useless stranded assets. Today, thousands of abandoned cars are a clear warning sign. They show problems in debt, jobs, and overall economic stability. The real question now is whether this situation will improve or worsen.